I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a 13-minute vocal warm-up to get you ready to sing. As always, check in first with your alignment and your breathing. Take a moment to release any tension, especially in your neck, jaw, tongue, and shoulders. Taking a few intentional moments to prepare for singing is always worthwhile. Let's get our voices going with some free-form sirens and glides. You can use any sounds that feel good to you, or follow me. Voice is a little bit different, so feel free to switch octaves or repeat exercises as you'd like. Let's move now to a lip trill, and we can sing. Here we go. Great job. Hey, did you know that I have a vocal warm-up mobile app for singers? It's available on the Google Play and the App Stores, and you can enjoy my warm-ups on the go, commercial-free, and you can even download your favorites for offline use. Information and the link is below. I hope you'll check it out. Now we're going to move on to a limited range key, like key. Keep an eye out to make sure you don't add too much tension to the mouth. Here we go. Key. Let's move to some more lip trills on. Now, if lip trills don't work for you, first of all, keep working on them because they're amazing. But you can also move to a hum or sing on a v or a zh. Here we go. Let's open up into some vowels and sing on mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Like mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Here we go. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 We're going to move on to another vocal exercises that uses a glide. We'll sing on an NG sound, like on the end of the word sing. And we can sing the following pattern. And go. This next vocal warm-up is great for focusing on steady airflow and relaxed, rounded, opened throat. We're going to sing on ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, like ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. Make sure we're breathing low and remaining relaxed. Here we go. Ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. Continue focusing on a relaxed sound. We're going to sing the syllables thoh, a, ah. Here's the pattern. Though, a, ah. Again, that's though. Your turn. Let's sigh down. Lastly, let's bring in just a little bit of range extension and sing on va va va, like va 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 va, and go va 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 va, va 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 va, va 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 va, va 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 va. Va 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 va, 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 va va and one more sigh down, top to bottom. Thank you so much for singing with me today. It is always a pleasure. Check out my latest news and announcements down below, including information about my mobile app. I will see you next time. Thank you.